Welcome to Mint Hill Tool Rentals educational series, where we showcase our equipment and show our customers how to operate it safely and efficiently. Today, we're exploring wood chippers and helping you avoid and clear jams.
Hey Raj, so now why would someone need to rent equipment this size?
Plenty landscapers and homeowners have trees around the house, and this is perfectly for what they needed to do. The trimming, everything like that, it go up to 6-inch. This chippers is very safe to use and everything like that. So this is what we rent it out to the customers for.
So what you have to show us today?
How to clear jam in one of the wood chipper. We normally tell the customers to do green wood, because if you use dry wood on this chipper, it won't chip it. It will just rub on the blade and kill the blade.
Cool.
So that's number one. We have a 4-inch sign here, which we put it up, but it usually takes 6-inch. Why we take 4-inch? So the customers won't put a big 6-inch and lock the machine. It will take it, but some customers want to put bigger than 6-inch. So that is why I usually put a 4-inch sign, so they work. The machine will work good with a 4-inch and get a good job, a good finish and everything like that. They wouldn't have no problem when they're using up to 4.
So Raj, what cost this machine to get jammed?
Okay, as I was telling you, the dry wood, what they use, will cause especially to jam up this machine, and it won't cut. And they will try to feed exactly this, what it will take, right? This is dry wood. So when they feed this in the machine, it won't cut. It will just jam up everything inside it, and the machine will just lock up. And this is why you have to clear it like that for.
Clearly we want our customers to be safe, right Raj?
Yes, that's true. And we also want the customers and them to take care of the equipment and get full use of what they're rented for.
Okay, let's get down to business. Now Raj, can you show us what you were gonna show us on unclogging the chipper?
Okay, no problem. The first thing, I'm gonna open the back here. This is where you feed your machine here, right? Now I'm gonna show you how you get rid of the jam. The first thing you do is take out this foot in here. So you pull out the pin, you take out this foot in here. You come around here, you put it inside here, you secure this with the pin. You're gonna jack up this here. This piece here gonna raise inside here. The feeder gonna go up inside. So this is what we're doing. Right, now we come in the back here. We make sure in the back here clean. If it have anything like what we seen there, the machine will not work. So this is what we have to do now. We could get something, right? And I'm going to take it. Right, you can see now the back is clear. Right, that's number one. We're gonna send on back the footing. Now this is where our blade is now. You have to check inside here too to make sure everything is clear. Pull out the pin here. This is a safety. Put it on like this. Press this. Oh, have a clip here. Pull out the pin, press it on. This is where your blade is now. If this thing hard to move, if it's hard to spin, you get a crowbar or something, you put it here, you press it. Once it moves like that, you're good. You put your hand inside here. This is what you're taking out from inside here. If you don't take out this, the machine would not work. You do it again. That's it. Now you take your hand. Once this could move like this, your machine will start. You put back down this, you cover, you press this here, you lock it back. You make sure the safety is properly well inside. It have a groove to put it in. You lock it like that. It's a groove on top there. You take the pin, you put it like that, it's locked. Then after, you secure the back, and that's it. Now you take out this footing, everything is clear. So the machine should start. The machine should start easy now. Once you're finished with all clearing the jam, securing everything back, now we're going to try to start the machine to make sure it's working so the customer will be comfortable with it. When I start the machine and you throttle it to full power, this is the sensor lights here. 2 lights have to be on. 1 and 5 alone have to be on to get the full power of the machine. So you have 1 and 2, 5 is off. That is wrong. So when you start the machine and you rev the engine, 1 and 5 have to be on to get the full power of the machine. If any other light on, you press this on button here and you see it cut off, that means you will get the full power when the machine is on. And full throttle, you will get the full power when you press it like that. So this is what you do. The top one is the choke. Underneath one is the throttle. So you put the choke like this. So the machine is starting now. Now you're going to throttle the machine where you will get the full power of this machine. So I'm going to throttle it all now. When you're using this machine, 1 and 5, then 2 lights have to be on. 1 and 5 to get the full power of the machine. That's the full power of the machine. So if you come on at this side, this is where the feeder is now. As you pull this is to feed the machine. You're going to feed everything inside it. Yes. You return. If the machine die off, you return everything out. And now this will go on a trailer. In the front here, we have a 2-inch hitch. So you have to have a 2-inch ball, like how we hook it up on the tractor here. So if I send on this here, it's a 2-inch ball, and you need a 2-inch ball to hook up to this to take it away. So.
And if you don't own a hitch, we can rent you one for $5 extra or a drop hitch for $10 extra.
Safety is the most important thing. So that is why we offer a drop hitch. If your vehicle too high, we need a machine to be safe when you're going out there, right? To be level. So it have to come back full with regular gas and clean.
On the safety glasses and gloves, did you know we have a little store in our rental place?
Right, yes.
Yeah.
So this is...
So instead of making 2 stops, we can make 1 stop with picking up your rental and the equipment that you need with
right.
us.
Any one of these gloves will do the job when you're using a wood chipper with the safety glasses. And we also have a wider range of our safety glasses. Anyone you're looking to wear or anything like that.
Well, that's how you get a chipper unjammed. And stay tuned. We'll be showing more videos like this. And share, like, and subscribe.